Hi, in this video we are going to see about the number system and the data representation. We are going to learn about the data representation and binary arithmetic and how the computer interprets and stores data in the memory. First of all, let us see what is meant by data. The word data is derived from the Latin word datum. Data is nothing but it is a collection of raw facts. It may be a place, things, names, etc. For example, if we collect the details about a person, for example, a name of the person, age of the person, individually it is referred as data. Next we can see about the data representation. Computer handles data in the form of zeros and ones. Any kind of data like numbers, alphabet, special characters should be converted to 0 or 1, which can be understood by the computer. 0 and 1 that the computer can understand is called the machine language. 0 or 1 are called as a binary digit. Let us see some data representation in the computer. First one is a bit. Bit is the short form of binary digit which can be either 0 or 1. Next one is a nibble, that is a collection of 4 bit. And next is the collection of 8 bit is called as a byte. And the word length refers to the number of bits processed by the computer's CPU. Consider this binary number. In this, each individual number represents the bit and the set of 8 bits represent a byte and the whole binary number represents as a word. In this, the leftmost bit, that is the least significant bit, and the rightmost bit is the most significant bit. This is the data representation of computer memory, and it is very important for one more questions. Next we can see about how the computer interprets and stores the data in the memory. The computer memory, either main memory or secondary storage, is normally represented in terms of kilobytes or megabytes. In decimal system, 1 kilo represents 1000, that is 10 power 3. In binary system, 1 kilo represents 1024 bytes, that is 2 power 10. The following table represents the various memory sizes. The next is ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Bytes are used to represent characters in a text. So different types of coding schemes are used to represent the character set and numbers. The most commonly used coding is ASCII format. For example, if you press the key capital A in your keyboard, the capital A itself is not stored in your computer. For that, its ASCII value, that is 65, is stored in your digital computer. Hope you all understood this portion, and in the next video let's see about the types of number system. Thank you.